Hello again, my friends. First part of the video record has completed. So let's go on right now. We are talking about chapter design, and they can use Canva website to create their own designs. After that, we for design chapter, I want to close all of these pages. This I am a bit confusing. I'm a bit confused. Yes. For chapter design, we can uh, maybe we can do a competition. We can create a competition. Sorry, let me for a second. Yes, competition is right. I want to say this competition. Maybe we can set a competition for choosing the best design, or I haven't decided about competition. We can do. We can. Sorry. Let me. Uh, I can separate the full design of mobile app. They, the students for design chapters, the students can create just a part of full design of mobile app, and I can separate the designers are designer students. I can say I can separate full design to our designer students. And at the end of November, after they can send me their own designs, and I can I can combine them in just a one design. Also, I need to say that our mobile app is going to include. Sorry, let me have a look again. I want to use right. Um, yes, our mobile app is going to include uh, an encyclopedia about protecting the environment and a recycle game. Students is not responsible for recycle game. The designers is going to design for recycled game, but students are not going to write codes for the game. They are just going to create for encyclopedia. As we have very as we have many very much informations for protecting the environment. We are going to have enough pages for encyclopedia, and also our mobile app is going to our mobile app is going to has our mobile app is going to include our activities that what are we going to do during this project. At the end of the project, we can add our images and videos uh, to our mobile app. I can I can tell the mobile app maybe later once more because still I'm not sure. Uh, I I have created our mobile app in my mind mostly, but there are some steps, there are some points that I'm not sure in my mind. So we can talk about uh, the mobile app later, but uh, there is there are some things certain in our mobile app. Our designers are going to complete their works till the last week of November. And also, if you have enough students and if you choose different students for all chapters, you can choose the same students as designers and researching content chapters. But if you have different students for chapter researching content, they are going to research contents from the internet about protecting the environment and informations about useful and interesting informations about the protecting the environment and global pollution. Please have a look this paragraph to get information clearly. I wrote them what ATAL activities are and global pollution, etc. I want interesting information from our researcher students to put our mobile app, put into our mobile app, and we can finish our two works at the same time. But if your students are same and your students are want to work both design and researching content chapters, they have to finish design chapter first because we all have in an order for developing our mobile app to develop our mobile app. They must finish design works. After that, after they finish their designs, they are going to research contents. If your students are same for these two chapters, but different chapters, your designer students can do their own designs, and your researcher students can research their content. Um, Also, I want the source where they take their informations, their contents from the internet, because if we this is important for ethical values. We must put the source of the information because the source have rights about that. We can take it, but we have to write the source. We have to say, I took this information from this source, from this website, from this book. We must say that. After we finish, also I need to say that these two chapters must be finished till the last week of January. These two chapters is for our first half of the project. Remember, we have two halves, and first half and second half. First half is finishing at the end of the January, and our second half is beginning the first week of February, and these two chapters must be completed at the end of January. After that, we are going to start coding. Also, I need to say that our coder students is going to be trained from beginning of November. Let me see to sure about the schedule. In October. you can find all the information about our project, all schedule. And yes, also you can find all online meetings content in our schedule. And in addition, I'm going to write the schedule of our online meetings online to our online meetings page here, and what is going to be our online meetings about. And yes, also we are going to do one online meeting with students to talk about how everything is going. And after that, we are going to continue the meeting just with the students who are responsible with coding of mobile app. This means that in November, I am going to start the coder students about coding in November meeting. Uh, in October, of course, I'm going to show all students how is writing codes, how is it looks like, how a coder, where the coder works, what the developers using developers programs, how can we use how can we write codes, just to show to the all students, to our all students. But our just I'm going to train about coding just with the volunteer students, just with our coder students. And the serious training is going to start in November, in our November meeting. This means that uh, all students are going to join our online meeting in November, but after half an hour later, after the meeting start, all students can be left, can go, can left, can leave from can leave the online meeting, and I am going to continue the meeting just with our coder students. I'm going to train them about coding, and uh, all other online meetings is uh, is going to be done like this. First, we are going to meet with all students, and other students are going to leave if they want. If they want, also, maybe we can have some curious students about writing codes, even they don't have a responsibility about coding. And I am going to go to I'm going to write codes about uh, codes. I'm going to write codes with coder students for our coding chapter in our mobile app development. Also, if it is possible, if we can do, we can if we can do, we can do extra online meetings just with the coder students to train them, because writing codes is can be difficult a little bit. Maybe they can need it, and maybe they want it if the students are volunteers enough. But don't don't be afraid about if my students can't write codes, because the main point of the coding is they not making them a developer. I just want that they start learning. They step into their first step to the development world, software development world. Also, this and of course, this project is not enough to make a student be a developer. I want that I want that volunteer students start writing codes. Just start, and be sure that our mobile app is going to be finished at the end of the project, and it's going to be a good, going to be a beautiful mobile app and useful mobile app for everything. And be sure that it's going to be liked by everyone. The main point for the coder students is just training them and just write coding. If we can make them write codes, we are successful about that, because being a developer and writing codes is not simple, and it needs some long times to be a good developer. But our main point is not to make them a good developer, and just I want that just step their feet into software world. And if we if we succeeded, we are successful. That's enough for us. That is going to be enough for us. And mobile app development is okay. And let's have a look at our storybook. We are going to create a storybook also. And please, all schools are going to write 2 pages, and this means that if we are 10 schools here, and this means that we are going to have 20 pages book. We are going to have a book that has 20 pages, and all pages are going to be continue of the previous pages. For example, my school started writing some. My school is going to write something about protecting the environment, because our storybook is going to be environment, is going to be about protecting the environment or our nature, and this can be global pollution. But this is going to be a storybook. We are going to write story, not the text about not the text in encyclopedia information. We are just going to write informations. They are going to write a story, and all pages are going to be continue the previous pages that is going to be written by a different. Is going to be written by different school, and also we are going to have a Padlet to show our activities, to show what we are going to do, in this page, in this task, and this can be pictures, this can be videos while we are our students writing story, their pages, and after that, and this Padlet must be created till the last week of December. Also, we are besides this, we are going to have a storybook creation tool, like created on Canva maybe, or Story Jumper. We have a Story Jumper tool website to create storybooks, and these storybook creation tools must be created till the last week of December. It's all up to the student. It's sorry. Let me talk. Let me think. It's all up to the teacher who is responsible for this task. Let me see who is responsible for this task. Is there any? There is no one for this task. Please take this task also, because this is going to be our common product. If the teacher is want to use Canva, they can create a draft and anti-draft on it. Also, if this teacher want to use a Padlet, sorry, not Padlet, Story Jumper website, they can create it. The teacher can create it, and we are going to create our own pages belongs to our schools. Not the teacher just can use Drive, Word, Google Word to create our storybook. Let's go to the Drive. If you can create a new doc to storybook, and if we can write our storybook just using Google Docs, and we are all going to write our school names. If I create the draft of our storybook, I am going to write Tefenni Anatolian Imam Hatip High School, and these 2 pages belongs to me. Now 3rd page, and after that another school is going to continue that the story we hasn't finished, because if we want to write, we must write we must write the page that is continue of the previous page. Our story in here has not been finished, and another school must continue from that, and we can write the school name such as İbrahim Kafesoğlu Anatolian High School. We can write it as a topic. And write their pages. Please put images to your pages, and you can change the background of the pages. If you use Canva or use Story Jumper or another tool that I don't know yet, if we can change the background of the page, we can change it. And I mean that please make the pages more colorful, more funny, more interesting. Put interesting things to our pages. Um, and I hope I am clear about storybook writing storybooks. And yes, let's have a look. Our green developers at e-magazine. This is going to be another entertaining work, I guess, because Yolanda and Fatma knows that in my previous project that I found, I created a magazine that is going to be very that is going to be very colorful and very funny, very good magazine. Let me show it to you. This can be an example for you. Let's go to Canva. I need to log in first. And yes, um, my works has came. Close it. And yes, this is this is the this is our e-magazine that uh, belongs to my project uh, before my previous project, and its name was Teen Developers, similar as the Green Developers. And this project is just about this project was just about software development, and we don't have anything protecting the environment, and all in all the project we I have we have tell our project with a magazine. Let me see. Let me show you our magazine. And yes, this is my internet is so bad. Sorry about that. Yes, we can create our magazine on Canva. And in this task, I'm talking about Green Developers magazine. All schools have two pages. It's two pages like uh, like our storybook, but all pages that are written from schools are free than the other pages that are written by different schools. What are we going to do? What are we going to write in this magazine? In this magazine, we are going to write what we have done during our project. This can be our it it can include our codes if we have coder students, or all activities that we are going to do during the project. And please make your pages colorful and interesting. It's all up to you. And the pattern of this task must be created till the last week of March, and our e-magazine creation tool, I mean Canva, we can, if we are going to create. We also have creation of, we also have book or magazine creation tools, other creation tools like Canva. But if it's all up to you, we can learn how to use the tool that you want. And now I am seeing that no one, Hülya teacher, my Hülya teacher has taken the responsibility of creation of magazine, and whichever Hülya teacher want to use to create a magazine, to create our magazine, it's all up to Hülya teacher, and if we don't know, we can learn from it from we can learn from Hülya teacher. Also, we can just use Google Docs to create our magazine, and it writes storybook feel, but not storybook. We have 4 notes here. As I copy and paste to the Green Developers page, it is storybook. I forget it. I forget to fix. I forgot to write here magazine. This is going to be a magazine, and we need to finish our magazine till the last week of April. Maybe we can be flexible 1 week. And all pages, and yes, we have examination of the project, and Andrea is responsible for our social media, for open our social media accounts, and Andrea must open our social media accounts till the last week of September, because we are going to share all all images, all activities on our social media. Also, our social media accounts must follow our schools and our students to be more available on social media. We have news and notices about our project from our schools. We are going to write our schools links and our news from our schools. We are going to put the links, including news and notices from our schools about our project. It writes also here, and this page belongs to me. I am going to, after we complete our mobile apps, I am going to publish our mobile app on Google Play Store. Fatma and Yolanda knows that I created after we finish all after we develop our teen developers mobile app, I publish it on Google Play Store. Let me show you Google Play Store. If you search teen developers, Sorry, I can't find that. And there was, where is it? And yes, here is our uh, Twin Developers mobile app belongs to the project, belongs to our project previous that Yolanda and Fatma take places there. Also, as I am a developer, I have a page. Sorry, uh, this mobile app is going to be published by my developer page. But all students that are work for the codings to develop our mobile app is going to be their names is going to take place here as the developer of our mobile app. It writes in and all these students are all these students are developer of our mobile app. I wrote that, and we are going to do similar work here, and all of our students are going to be a developer, not just coders, designers, and researchers, and uh, promote pro and the students who are responsible for promotion and dissemination. All students in this project is going students names are going to take place on Google Play Store as the developer of our Green Developers mobile app. And we have project evaluation page as the last project evaluation. Our project evaluation has two sub-page. We are going to create a post test, and post test belongs to Andrea because Andrea is responsible for our project surveys. And Andrea is going to create a post test for us. Also, we have another. Sorry. And we have another tool to evaluate our project with the students, Mentimeter creation about our project evaluation, and the teacher who takes the Mentimeter creation is going to uh, is going to uh, is going to create the Mentimeter draft here, and our students are going to fill the Mentimeter, going to do Mentimeter work in May. Deadlines for our project evaluation is writing also here. All project evaluations must be finished till the middle of May because our project is going to finish at the end of May, and all project evaluation tools must be ready till the last week of April, and all our project evaluations must be ready till the last week of April, and all project evaluations must be finished till the middle of May. And yes, that's all from me. I hope I I hope I'll told you to the project details more clearly than the first meeting. If you may still have questions in your mind, please ask. And also, say I need to say sorry about my English. I I am trying to do my best to tell you the project details. Now, while I am telling you the project details, I learned that Jasmina has left, and I am sorry about that. As I wrote you to our WhatsApp group, Jasmina after Jasmina after Jasmina joined to our project, she she has she found she founded another project, and she is the founder of another evening project. I saw her calls for our project. I guess this is the reason why she left us. She knows, however, she can do whatever she wants. We are 9 teachers for now, but this is enough, I guess. But I'm trying to. I will add one more one more teacher instead of Jasmina. This can be another teacher, or I can find the partner from my friends, from one of my friends. That's not important. Be sure that we are going to finish our project successfully, and I want to say in my first project, in Teen Developers project, our project was very successful in Turkey, and my Teen Developers project was just about software development, and this project includes both protecting the environment and software development, and this is much more better. This is better than teen developers project, I guess. I think, and my teen developers project is one of best project in our whole country, in Turkey. In 2023, there were 11,000 evening project in our country, but and sorry, and my project, our teen developers project, was in first 200 best projects, and I joined as the founder of the project. I joined a conference in Antalya, if you know Antalya, in Antalya, and we opened a stand to promote our evening project to the joiners and officials from our ministry. We have guests, and I promote I promote teen developers projects to them, and that's all. And be sure that this is better than teen developers project. And if we do our works on time, our project is going to be easier. We can be flexible about our durations, about deadlines. About deadlines. And I know we all are busy. We all are busy. We don't have just green developers evening project works. We have lots of works You all have lots of works, I know, and maybe you have another evening projects. This is normal, and we but doing our works on time is important for our project. I hope we have fun in our project, and I know that we are going to be successful. Thanks to listening to me. This is going to be this is a, hard. Sorry, this is a long video record, and this is also difficult to talk in English. Difficult to talk. Difficult to tell my project in English, as I am not an English teacher. And also, I want to say sorry about my English. That's all. Thank you to listening to me. See you on October. Bye bye.